So in the given problem, he is asking the common mode rejection ratio of the differential amplifier. So this is V1 and this is V2. So first I'll do Vc equal to V1 plus V2 by 2, and the differential voltage Vd is V1 minus or V2 minus V1, because we have to take this is the first and V2 minus V1. So this is a common mode voltage 1 by 2 into V1 plus V2, and this is a differential voltage. Okay, so from these equations I have to write V1 comma V2 in terms of Vc and Vd. So if I write, I will get V2 equal to Vc plus Vd by 2 and V1 equal to Vc minus Vd by 2. So once I will know V1 and V2, now I can find out the output voltage V0. So V0 is equal to V2 into 1 plus Rf by R1 divided by 1 plus R2 by R3 minus Rf by R1 into V1. So V2 and V1 value, just substitute these two values. So this is equal to V2 into R1 plus Rf into R3 by R3 plus R2 into R1 minus Rf by R1 into V1. Now I will substitute V2 and V1 values. So R1 plus Rf into R3 by R3 plus R2 into R1. So V2 is Vc plus Vd by 2 minus Rf by R1 into Vc minus Vd by 2. So this is the output voltage. Now common mode rejection ratio is nothing but the gain, common mode differential mode gain by the common mode gain. So how to get the differential mode gain? The differential mode gain is nothing but V0 by Vd is equal to 0. So from this equation you put Vc equal to 0 and find out V0 by Vd, that is nothing but ADM. Similarly ACM is nothing but V0 by Vc at Vd equal to 0. So in the same equation you put all these Vd's are zeros and find out the ratio of V0 by Vc. So once you get these two values, you just substitute here. So if you substitute here, you will get CMMR, which is approximately equal to 900. So from the given options, the answer is option C.